How to buy a digital Roblox gift card on Amazon. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll be teaching you guys on how can you buy a digital Roblox gift card on the Amazon. So first of all, you have to go to the web browser and go to the official website of Amazon, that is amazon.com, and hit enter in your keyboard. After that, you will land into this kind of interface or page, which is the official website. Then after, in the search bar where it's written search Amazon, you have to enter the digital Roblox gift card and hit enter in your keyboard. Then after, you will be directed to this kind of page where it will display numerous and various kind of Roblox gift card code. So these codes represent the vast array of the digital Roblox code that you can conveniently acquire right here. So let's go to this Roblox digital gift code for 2,200 Robux. Click on it. So let's go for $40. And you can see a few guidelines over here that by placing your order, you agree to the games and software terms of use. And this product is non-returnable and non-refundable. And currently, this item is available only to the customers located in the United States. All right. So after you do this, after you read to all these guidelines, click on add to cart option. And then click on proceed to check out. So my subtotal is $190 by entering the correct form of your address, and then after choose a payment method, and you will be successfully able to buy a digital Roblox gift card on Amazon. So this was all about it. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.